Hey guys, this is Normal here. In today's tutorial, we are going to set up a group policy object. A group policy is an infrastructure that allows you to implement specific configurations for users and computers. Group policy settings are contained in group policy objects, or GPOs, which are linked to the following Active Directory service containers: sites, domains, or organizational units, or OUs. The settings within GPOs are then evaluated by the affected target using the hierarchical nature of Active Directory. Consequently, group policy is one of the top reasons to deploy Active Directory because it allows you to manage user and computer objects. So to begin setting up our group policy object, we need to go to Administrative Tools and select the option for Group Policy Management. We then will open our forest and then our domain and select Group Policy Object. We right click on Group Policy Object and click New. And for today's tutorial, we are going to create a group policy object to control screensavers, the use of screensavers for users. So you'll give our GPU name screensavers. We click OK, and here we have our GPU screensaver created. To edit our screensaver, we right click on the screensaver and we click Edit. And we are going to amend some user configurations. So we go to Policies and we then drop down Administrative Templates. Then we will go to Control Panel, select Display, or better we double click on Display. So here we have many different options where we can hide our screensaver tab, hide settings, screensavers, screensaver executable name. So we will double click on screensaver firstly, and we will want to enable it. So we apply the setting. Then we go to the next setting. We will not configure an executable name because we leave it as the default. Go to the next setting, and this password protect is where whenever screensaver comes on, the screens automatically locks. So for the sake of the tutorial, I will enable it. And here we will set a time. For the sake of this tutorial, I'm going to set the time for 5 seconds so we can actually see it in action. Okay. Next, prevent changing wallpaper. So you can also prevent changing wallpaper. But for the sake of this tutorial, we are using screensavers. So now I click OK and I will close off here. So once I've completed this, we now need to link our configuration to our domain. So now we right click on domain controller and we want to link an existing GPO which was created. Here we have a list of all the GPO which for the sake of this tutorial is screensavers. So I'll select screensaver and then I'll click OK. There we go, it's linked. Okay, so let me now proceed to open Windows 7. Okay, we'll take a short break while this boot up and I'll be back shortly. Okay, we are back. So here's we have our Windows 7. Okay, so we set the screensaver for the sake of this tutorial to be 5 seconds. So I'm about to just leave my Windows 7 there and we shall see how the group policy was configured successfully. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And there we have it. You see our screensaver was successfully configured, you know, using the GPU function in Server 2008. Thank you guys for watching this tutorial.